Hi, my family. So let's start what I wanted to do. This is very important. This is something about technical analysis where you will entry, you will exit. So before we start, let me tell you. So we are talking about equities. In that equities, we are talking about options. Equities options timings are 9:15 to 3:30, but you be ready at 9 o'clock to set up your system. Look at how the market looks. All those you can look into it. Now coming to fundamental analysis, money control will give nothing to do from here, from our portion. For technical analysis, where we exist, completely it's in our hand, whether you wanted to, where you wanted to entry and where you wanted to exit. It's completely with you. So no one responsible for that. So you need to learn this how to enter, how to exit. To how to enter, how to exit, not required of any uh, age limit. There is no age limit. There is no education qualifications are required. You need to be just smart enough. You need to be, patient. You need to be good enough to take the analysis part on the technical analysis. To set up your technical analysis in your brokerage app, you can use Zerodha, Flyers, Upstock, or Grow. There are a lot of free apps, broker apps. You can use any of these. I'm using Zerodha, but if you wanted to do options with the technical analysis, Flyers are really good because it gives three views, which none of the other apps gives. So Flyers is really good. I recommend to use Flyers to see the options to take judgment. Now, what exactly technical analysis? What exactly you're going to do? I'll just walk you through. Go to your brokerage application. So in my case, Zerodha. In your case, if you think that Flyers, go to that. Now select type what you wanted to do, uh, trading, right? So in my case, I trust Nifty 50 in the indices or any stocks. Stocks means TCS, Reliance, any stocks, right? Or HDFC Bank, any banks also. So coming to Nifty 50, so just type Nifty 50, or if you wanted Nifty Bank, just type Nifty Bank. So like that, if you do, automatically the indices list will come. In my case, I have already selected Nifty 50 here, you could see it. And my Monday, that is tomorrow, 3rd February, my observation will be this. That is CE 23,500 is option and 23 for a PE. So if market goes down, I'll take PE. If market goes up, I'll take CE. Now, depends on the market, you can call out which one you wanted to take, right? That is completely with us. Now, what we are talking about in this video is technical analysis. To do the technical analysis, it's up completely your choice, right? So no one will. I can help you on the how to set up this graph, how to look into this candle, where to entry. I'm going to walk you through now. Okay, so let me walk you through on those technical analysis part. I also saved my technical analysis. Let me go one by one. First, when you do in your system, the candle looks like this. You see? So looking at this candle, you don't know where to enter, correct? If I put some indicators, correct, you can understand where you're supposed to enter. For example, just go back to 9:30. So this is a Feb 1st, yesterday, right? So up to 9:30, don't take any action. This I know 9:15 where the market starts. Don't that 15 minutes start observing how the market is moving. On 9:30, correct? On 9:30, if we get consequent candles, I mean to say, don't take red and green. Okay, don't take action here. Take only when green and green comes. So leave the first green, second green immediately. If it is green, take the call option. If it is red candle, next candle also red means take the call option. So if you take the call option here, I imagine that you have taken call option. You would have won till here. Similarly, or till here. Similarly, if you would have ignored this candle and if you started, taking your position here for the put call option, you would have earned till here. So what I mean to say, always look into candles when there is a consequent same color candle. Second time when it repeats, try to take the position. Now I will introduce one by one what are the indicators supposed to be. Do it. How you need to take an action whether you enter or not. Correct. First one is moving average. So to do that, just click on the indicator and type the moving average. There are many moving average. In my Zerodha broker application, I prefer to take this moving average called moving average exceptional. I also put the star for that. Once you do, it will appear. When it appears, click on the settings, come to inputs, keep the length as 100. Keep the length as 100 and come to style, change the color as green and make a little big thickness. That's all. So only two steps to perform. One is length, change to 100. Style, put the color and length. Correct? Click OK. If you do that, what happens? On your candle, you will get the line. So it says this is the average. In your entire trend, it's showing average. Anything above this, it's a profit for you. That's what average tells. Now, I wanted to put this into one box. The candles, I wanted to put that into one box. To do that, it is called Dawn chain. So what you need to do, come to indicator, type for DON Dawn chain channels. If you type, this indicator will come. In this indicator, go to settings. Input should be 100 because your EMA is 100, right? Or moving average is 100. So keep your Dawn chain also 100. Come to style. You might have the basis. Remove that. Lower, keep it black. Upper, keep it black. And also keep little bit thickness. Click OK. So we have brought two indicators to understand how your candles are moving to take a entry or exit, right? That is what the intention. This all we are doing it for technical analysis. So we are good with moving average and technical analysis. Now coming to moving average, copy this moving average and paste it. You will get one more moving average, correct? For this moving average, initially we had 100, right? Now I'm changing that to length as 20 and style I'm giving as a black and thickness I'm giving. So what change I made? From 100 I removed that 100 and put 20 as length and given the style as black. Done. So we have two indicators. One is green, which is 100, and black as 20. So that these two moving averages. Ensure your time frame is 1 minute. That's all. Your graph is ready. Now technical analysis starts. Ensure that you also keep the same chart graph in your Zerodha, Upstocks or Flyers account. Ensure these all indicators are available. Ensure you set up these beautiful indicators to analyze. What analyze? Technical analyze to ensure that you are good to take the entry. Now, where are you supposed to take entry is the question. To answer that question, anything below this black line, please don't take entry. Simple. anything below this black line, don't take entry. In this case, at 9:30 to 9:15 to 9:30, 9:20, I suggest please avoid because it is coming below my 20 average line. Completely I'll avoid it. Now black line is touched. Okay. Second line started forming my green line. So I'll take entry at 260 at 9:30, time 9:30. You see the bottom line, right? This bottom line represents this x-axis, y-axis, right? It represents time. It represents money, how much money you're. So here you take entry. It means you click here, click buy, keep it ready. You just keep this as like this. As soon as the candle starts, click on buy. So how much you're going to pay? 10,365 rupees. And there is a broker charges also for entry. 27 rupees you need to pay the broker charges. If you look how much price you're doing it, 138. Shall we put this into Excel? Let's do it. So this call I'm doing it, okay, at exactly 9:30 a.m. Of course, a.m. Entry is 138 rupees. 138. Ensure you give points also. 138.5. So default you will get 75. You can't change this one, nothing like that. Okay, one lot size you need to take. For any bank nifty, not bank nifty, this is nifty 50, right? Any nifty 50, one lot is equal to 75 shares. You need to buy minimum 75 shares to place an order. In my case, 75 into 138, if I multiply, I'll get 38,650. Let's see it. See, 10,000, sorry, 10,365 rupees I need to pay to make a transaction. Where I'm doing it at 9:15, 9:30, 9:30, I made that payment. Assume I did it, correct? Okay, it's 260, 260. That was showing current price, I guess. So let's take 260. I pay 19,000. Here I paid 19,000. Okay. Now after 19,000, so I left this candle, which took 1 minute, correct? Second candle took another 1 minute, reached to 303. Okay. Actually, it reached till here, but candle ended here. You would exit here also if you think that this amount is enough. So anything going bottom, don't come out. Bottom this black line. Is it coming? No, 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 no. You can wait. You can wait. If it is coming below this line, you can put a stop loss. It means you don't want to do the trading. You can stop it. Your loss will be minimal amount. More than this, you should not go. Correct? I'm waiting, 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 waiting. Here, if you could see, it's very close to your black line. What I'll do, I'll try to exit here. It means 290 rupees. Let's put it as an average 290 rupees. So I'll mention as a 290 and my lot size is 275. So the price is this. So if I paid 19,500, I would have get, if I would exit that, I would have get 21,750 and my return is, I mean my profit is 2,250 rupees. In one exercise, I got 2,250 rupees. I mean, like 9:30 or 9:35 you entered, 9:50 in 15 minutes, correct? Or in 20 minutes, you got 2,000 rupees. Now, let me see if I can take another entry. You see here, two transactions happen. and it is above the black line. Anything below black line, right? Don't do any trading. Black line is our moving average, especially black one. So first one, second one, the third you might have taken here, correct? You might have taken here 287 rupees. Let me do that. See, what is the time you have taken? I might have taken here 2 287 287 rupees. What is the time? 10:40. So keep it as a 10:40. 10:40. You got one more. 287, right? 285 or 287. Only put it 287. You took and you paid 21,000, 28,000, and you're waiting because it is not going below the black line. So you are happy. But here chances very close to this, right? You exited here 310. Or if you think that when red line only happens, you would have exited 315 itself also, but let it be. You might have thought this red will become green, you might enter, but here you should not. Till here you should not wait. Okay, as soon as it is below black, you should exit. Okay, now this is 303. So 303, 303. Okay, 303. So I exited, I got 1,200 rupees. If I would have exited here or here, wherever you, it's up to you. So this is about technical analysis. Long story in short, what I'm trying to tell you, keep this bigger. Ensure that your entry above the black line before it enters to below the black line, try to exit. So you might get one or two per day. So focus until you get experience. Focus these candles. So usually once you get experience, three times in my observation I found that is 9:30, exactly 9:30 you'll get one chance. 10:30 you'll get another chance if you spend some time on 10:30. Next you'll get at 1 o'clock. I mean 9:30 to 10:30, 10:30 to 11:30, and 1 to 2. So between these three timings, definitely you'll get three times opportunity to earn. So if you get only one time and if you earn 1,000 or 2,000 rupees, stop your trading and go enjoy your day. So this is about technical analysis. So the intention or the story of this video is how to enter. I mean, above black line you should enter. Before it comes to black line, you need to exit. How to set up black line and how to set up green line. How to look into candles. I have starting. I have explained it. Please follow that. This is all about learning. Thank you.